Continuing our series on quota modeling, let's look at how you can configure Incentivate to calculate bottom-up quotas. You typically use a bottom-up quota methodology if you don't have strict top-line quotas, and you want to use a strategy where you apply a percentage growth over the previous year's revenue. Once you've added a model with the bottom-up methodology, you'll need to set up various details around it. Similar to top-down, you can set up a list of sales factors. Typically, the most common factor is historic sales from a specific period, say Q3 2025. Filters are available here as well, but note that bottom-up methodology doesn't use weights for factors. Instead, bottom-up factors use a concept called scaling. Let's understand this using an example factor called expected growth by size. This factor sets up an expected growth rate for accounts by analyzing their sales from January to September 2025, and then assigns growth rates to each account based on their size. In this example, the largest account is expected to grow at 8%, while the smallest account is expected to grow at 12%. The scaling type can be configured as well. Whether scaling is done linearly, based on rank, proportionally, so that growth rate differences mirror account size differences, or using softmax if you have large outlier accounts in your dataset. Similar to top-down, you can also use external factors if you have third-party datasets to enrich your model. Trending is available too, as another factor in bottom-up quota models. Quotas in bottom-up models are calculated using a formula rather than a weighted sum like in top-down models. So, for instance, you can use a formula like Q3 revenue times expected growth by size times any external factors you've defined. The caps, floors, and phasing functionalities are similar to what you saw in the top-down models. In the Results tab, you'll find your bottom-up calculated quotas displayed, and the detailed calculation view is adjusted to reflect the bottom-up structure. Everything else, from analytics to approvals, works just like in the top-down models. In this way, Incentivate allows you to use both bottom-up and top-down models to model and set account quotas. It's a powerful, flexible tool that helps you experiment, refine, and optimize your quota methodologies for the perfect fit. Do you have questions about how this works or want to explore specific capabilities? Drop a comment below. We'd love to chat.